Fear isn't real. The story you're telling yourself is. Zen teaches that fear lives in thoughts about the future, not in this present moment. A Zen master once said, "If you understand, things are just as they are. If you misunderstand, things are just as they are." Fear is misunderstanding. Believing a mental movie is reality. The moment you notice the thought, "I'm afraid," without adding to it, the fear begins to dissolve. When fear arises, stop. Take one conscious breath. Silently say, "Thinking, that's it." Don't fight the thought. Don't follow it. Just label it. Return to the feeling of your feet on the floor. The thought may remain, but your attachment to it drops. Practice the one breath pause today. Like and subscribe for more Zen in under 2 minutes. What if fear wasn't an enemy to destroy, but a guest to welcome? Zen monk Thich Nhat Hanh taught, "Hello, my fear. Come, sit with me. I will take care of you." In Zen, resistance creates suffering, not fear itself. When you push fear away, it grows. When you invite it in for tea, without acting on it, it loses its power. Fear becomes just another sensation, like a breeze or a bell sound. Next time fear visits, don't run. Place your hand on your heart. Breathe in and say, "I am here." Breathe out and say, "Fear is here." Stay for 3 breaths. Watch what happens. The fear may stay, but your panic leaves. Try this right now with a fear you're carrying. Comment what you noticed. Subscribe for more Zen practices. Everything you're afraid of right now will be gone. Not just the outcome, the fear itself. Zen rests on impermanence. A Zen poem says, "The bell tolls. The sound fades. Where does the fear go?" Fear feels permanent when it arrives, but watch closely. No emotion lasts longer than 90 seconds if you don't feed it with stories. Fear is a cloud passing through the sky of your awareness. You are the sky, not the cloud. Set a timer for 90 seconds. Sit still. Feel the fear fully, racing heart, tight stomach. Don't name it, bad, just feel. Breathe. Watch it shift, weaken, change. When the timer ends, move. Not because fear is gone, but because you remembered, you outlast it. Do the 90-second fear sit. Tell me how long it actually lasted. Like and share with someone who's stuck. You're not afraid of failing. You're afraid of knowing what happens next. Zen master Shunryu Suzuki said, "In the beginner's mind there are many possibilities. In the expert's mind, there are few." Fear comes from assuming you already know the outcome, and it's bad. Beginner's mind drops those assumptions. What if you have no idea what will happen? Then there's nothing to fear, only something to discover. Before doing something scary, say aloud, "I have no idea what will happen." That's not a problem. That's curiosity. Take one small step, not to succeed, but to see. Fear becomes data, not danger. Name one thing you've been avoiding. Do it with beginner's mind today. Subscribe to stay curious. The highest Zen teaching on fear? Don't do anything about it. In Soto Zen, Shikantaza means just sitting, no goal. No fixing. No becoming fearless. When fear arises, you don't fight it, welcome it, or analyze it. You simply sit. Fear and non-fear are both thoughts. Drop them both. What remains? Just sitting. Just breathing. Just this moment. And in that moment, fear has nothing to attach to. Set 5 minutes. Sit upright. Eyes open, soft gaze. When fear thoughts come, don't push or pull. Let them float by like leaves on a river. Don't label them fear, don't try to calm down. Just sit. The practice is the freedom. Try 5 minutes of just sitting tonight. No apps, no music, no goal. Comment, I sat, when you do. Like and subscribe for more Zen.